with me old panties. I'm all alone with me old cockles. Well, darling, you really then, you darling.
All right, Dor? Just practicing our knees up.
Cause Michelle don't cut the mustard.
Do you want to join in?
That might be embarrassing. I'm not appropriately dressed for a knees up.
Don't you ever wear any?
How was your night out with Naomi?
Oh, it was fine. We went for dinner, then to a wine bar. Naomi wore her dog collar, got mistaken for a strippogram.
What did I say? The acorn don't fall far from the tree.
And then she told me she's been offered the job as Dean of Canterbury.
Oh, that's okay. Canterbury's not that far.
Canterbury, New Zealand.
Oh, that's a bit more than a bus ride.
Oh, that's a shame. You made a lovely rum and water.
What?
Rum and water. Mum and daughter.
See? Even she's more cockney than what you are.